attention to citizens of Subangjaya. All feline citizens of Subangjaya shall be assigned Meowdarin as their official language. Yes, while I groom myself, I must also inform you that Meowdarin, the ancient cat language of our ancestors, shall be the language to promote national feline unity. Now, there are some very misguided young people in our community who say, what will we do if we cannot learn Meowle? If we are assigned to Meowdarin, what will happen to the Purranakans who do not get to learn Meowle? Well, I say this to them, that Meowdarin is the language of the future. Meowle is a provincial, backward and inferior language. And I tell you this, never mind what the people think. We decide what is right, where you spit, how you shit, how you organize yourself, who your neighbors are. We decide what is right for you. This is not a game of cards. This is your life and my life. And I am not going to let you mess it up.